Really dumb.
Leafy corn. Corn. Fire corn.
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun.
Reggie, it's chilly.
Reggie, you're cold.
Get out of here, Reggie.
Emotional damage!
We gotta stick together on this!
President of the United States.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. And that's the girl who likes my daddy.
Don't tell anyone.
Helicopter.
I'm tired now. This is your new home, Turkey.
Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
That's General Sagan.
He's got issues.
That's Marcia. She eats her feelings.
What?
I will never, ever leave you.
Chuck E. Cheese's, where a kid can be a kid.
A warm bed.
This is your destiny.
What?
We're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are?
Why didn't you say so?
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me!
Is it? Is it really?
You see this line? Do not come into my personal... Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
Snap out of it, Reggie. Just need to figure out how to get past this impenetrable gate.
Okay, what's inside this, secret base anyway?
A time machine.
A time machine?
A time machine.
Time machine.
A time machine.
Time machine.
A time machine.
Time machine.
3 days later.
A time.
What? Who told you that?
You did just now.
Of course I did. I was testing you.
We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding? Hello, soldier. Welcome to the Turkey Freedom Front.
Like two pieces of twine woven together, we are a strong and beautiful blade.
El Solo Lobo.
Should we report this?
Too much paperwork.
Let's roast them.
How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce.
I am not going up there.
I'm not going out there.
I'm definitely... Oh.
Sorry, bro.
2 weeks from retirement.
Ow, my foot!
Please help me.
I am STEVE, Steve.
Lava, chicken.
Piranha.
The Sasquatch.
Monkey.
Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Yeah, you tell him, Ranger. Right, Furley? Woo!
Stay in formation. In formation. Stay. Everyone, this way. This way. Everyone.
Double KO.
We can all hold now.
Dead.
Glutes.
You speak with deep conviction.
Well, I can speak even
Deeper, if you like.
Oh, she wants you to throw up some worms into her mouth.
His method is unconventional, but very effective.
Oh, my back!
What the hell is this?
Thank you, little preacher.
never taken a lesson.
Yeah, let's just be dogs. I'll be a boxer and you just be a Shiba Inu. Arrgh.
What?
We can have an excellent adventure. Ooh. Tell him, Furley. Don't be scared, Furley.
Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 saddest deaths in anime.
I've come back from the future to tell you something really important. What is it? You're an idiot. They don't stand a chance. Oh no.
Oh no!
You are the great turkey.
Waiter.
Sir?
Can I?
Of course.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. What?
Those are some angry birds.
Snake, what have you done? You changed the future. You've created a time paradox.
A sign from the grandfathers. A most delicious sign. We should really do this more often. This is way outside my free delivery zone.
Hey guys, check it out.
Dude, please.
Everyone, I'm giving this turkey thanks. Wait a minute. I just invented a word. It's a thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
And that's where we get the term.
Goodbyes are just hellos, carried across the wind till our paths intersect once again.
That's beautiful. And confusing.
Oh my.
He said it! He said it! Have you heard about the turducken?